Good morning, everybody, and you are very warmly welcome here. My very colleague and erudite board members here, and we are very privileged to have you all under this roof. This is the 50th celebration year, and today's proceedings have a lot of gamut on the IT getaways. All of you are aware that the information technology enabled service, information communication technology, whatever way they are named, they are agents of change. If an technology has brought about acceleration in the process of change, the information technology is one of them. And one of the biggest disruptive technology, the elephant is already in the room, is the artificial intelligence. The whole world is getting turned upside down, and the quest is to be ahead of others. One of the biggest advantages of the ICT had been the growth of the youngsters, dividend of the youth, bringing in ethics at a level hitherto unseen, empowering the population who could not be empowered, communicating across and using carriers for messages that used to be hitherto unheard of, unthought of. I am sure when Maxwell was thinking of his four equations, or even Einstein did his h nu minus h nu c, they never thought that kind of science will create this kind of world, and primarily the world will be a rapidly changing kind of ecosystem. In that background, in that context, state of West Bengal, which, I am only a kind of stand-in speaker for you, our very erudite Honorable Minister and very learned ACS will be coming and addressing you, is coming out with a lot of proactive policies, keeping public interest in mind. The IT's effect had always been found in the kind of beneficial impact on the common man, the R.K. Laxman's common man. If you all remember, the seniors must be remembering ORG programming, which also involved Fortran, and Fortran with format. Many of the youngsters may not be knowing about those programs. The railway reservation came in through that. And that was one of the single and most important e-governance program even today in India. I am sure with your active collaboration, with your guidance, be it OABL, be it the state of West Bengal, be it our country, India, will have the synergy of progress, thoughts that will take us ahead, capacity to deal with disruptive technology. The GAN is coming here, which will change the Moore's law from years to months. That's the capacity of the speed of electrons. Exciting opportunities are all there. But let us keep in one mind only one fact. That technology works which benefits the common man, the person who had been perhaps left behind. and that uplift of the so-called impoverished, so-called underprivileged, should be the objective of any technological evolution. And I'm sure with the participation of the youth, as Rabindranath Tagore said, Ore Nobin, Ore Amar Kacha, Ad Morader Gha Mene Tui Bacha. Shake the world. Thank you.